All right, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is guys Mola speaking. In today's video I want to show you how you can delete, delist, eliminate, seize a company from operation. So you probably registered that business name and you no longer want that business name because of one reason or the other. You were trying to get a project done and you decide to register the business, but as it stands right now, that project is no longer functional and the business is no longer in existence. So what do you do in order to disallow that name to keep being in existence and then running at a cost? At the end of the day, that business will need annual return filing even when you're ready to close it up. So before you close up the before you accumulate a lot of fee on that particular registration, all you need to do is to close down that business, and the right terminology is called business cessation. So I'm going to walk you through the practical steps on how you can carry out business cessation. All you need to do is watch this video from beginning to the end, give this video a thumbs up and like this video. I would go into the video right now. So first thing, you must be an accredited agent to be able to carry out this process, right? So I'm currently on my system. All you need to do is simple. Come here, type in the name of the business. Once you type in the name of the business, it will show up this way, right? So this is the business we want to currently delist from the we want to currently cease from existing, right? So all you need to do is click on cessation. Once you click on cessation, then you scroll down here and click on request, start request for cessation. So no private information is being shared in this video. So all these are just general information that you can get online. So what you need to provide here is this. You need to provide the reason for the cessation. So, and there's a list of reasons. It could be a voluntary reason for cessation. Voluntary reason means that you are doing it without anybody, forcing you to do. You have a business deal and you are just making that decision based on the fact that it is voluntary and no pressure, right? Second reason could be death of proprietor or all the partners. So it could be that someone is dead and you don't want that business to be in existence again, so that has to be done. Third reason could be that there's a court order that this business should no longer be in operation, you stop operating, so that could be the reason. Or fourth order, it could be that CAC has compelled you to carry out this cessation process. So these are the four different reasons to select from. For this particular business, we are carrying this out because for the voluntary reason, and you pick the date for cessation. You can pick the date of the registration or the date you are carrying out the process, and then you can move on. The next thing you want to put is the details of the partner of the business. So once you click on this particular part, it will bring up the list of partners in the business. Select the partner that is authorizing this process and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you upload the ID card of one of the partners that has authorized this. If the reason you selected is because of death of one of the partner or all of the partners, you add the death certificate or any other evidence of death that has happened, or if there's need for a consent letter that is signed by the partners. This is also important. The consent letter is a letter you have drafted, informing the CAC that you want to seize this business for so reason, right? While the other reason could be you could also seize the business because the business is no longer profitable for you. You could seize the business because the business, you can just ask ChatGPT to draft for you a detailed letter that would help you convince CAC the reason why you're carrying out cessation of the business. So next thing you want to do is you can also add any other supporting documents, whatever the case is. You preview and then you make payment. So right now I've been able to upload all the ID card. All I need to do is click on the preview button to proceed. All right, so once I've been able to do this and gone through the details and I've confirmed that the details of the director is correct and I've uploaded the right document, I've previewed the document here to confirm that the document is okay, I can click save and continue, make payment for the process. So all I need to do is then carry on to pay for the process of the cessation. I'm going to be paying for the process right now. Right now, payment has gone through, and once the payment goes through, you can just allow it to refresh and then we'll go to the next page. So once you're done paying, you are going to see that the process has been submitted successfully. The process has been filled successfully, so thank you. Click on the continue button and then it will bring up this page. So this page right now is showing me that 1 pending approval, 0 queried, and 0 approved. So later on, I'll be able to check and confirm either if this registration moves from this pending approval to queried or to approved. So if it moves to queried, I will have to open it up, check the reason why it is being queried, attend to the query, and then resolve it. Once it's resolved, it will now probably move to approved, and it means this business will no longer exist anymore on the CAC portal. I hope you get the process. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.